Munna, your safari rider. Let me take you on an adventure to the different forests and jungles of our continents. Welcome to Asia! First, look at the peaceful giant panda eating bamboo. Gliding through the trees, there is a high-flying orangutan.
Look at Munna's cousin, the mighty Bengal tiger. Moving across the river, see the giant Indian elephant Splash.
Over in the grassland walks the strong, armored rhinoceros. And look at the beautiful peacock showing off its colorful feathers.
See the wise king cobra guarding the forest floor. Looking up in the branches, it's an adorable red panda.
High in the Himalayan clouds, the secret snow leopard leaps. Looking down the mountain slope, meet the fluffy wild yak. A real-life island giant, the Komodo dragon. Moving to the riverbank, unique Malayan tapir. That concludes our tour of Asia. Look ahead, our magic portal is opening. Hold on tight. Next stop, the wild savanna of Africa. We made it to Africa. Hear the mighty lion roaring on the rock. Gliding higher, look how high the tall giraffe reaches. Check out the giant fan ears on this African elephant. Floating along the path, see the beautiful black and white stripes of the zebra. Whoosh! Look how fast the cheetah runs across the plain. Panning to the water, say hello to the big, round hippo. Deep in the jungle sits the incredibly strong gorilla. Up in the vines, look at our clever friend, the chimpanzee. On alert! The little meerkat keeps watch on the mound. Here comes the powerful black rhino walking by. Goodbye, Africa! Another magic portal is opening in the sky. Let's fly right through into the lush rainforests of South America. Welcome to South America! Fly along with the brilliant scarlet macaw. Floating down through the trees, meet the super relaxed sloth. Spotted on the log below, it's a stealthy jaguar. Up in the branches, look at the giant colorful beak on the toucan. Whoa! Look at the length of that giant anaconda. Turning to the river, it's a rare, beautiful pink dolphin. Up in the high mountains, we meet the friendly llama. Down by the grass, it's the giant, gentle capybara. South America was so amazing! Look, another blue portal awaits us. Hold on tight. Next stop, off to North America. Here we are in North America. High in the sky soars the bald eagle. Down by the mountain river, the grizzly bear catches a fish. Across the open plains walks the mighty American bison. Near the pine trees, the majestic gray wolf keeps watch. Keep an eye out for the stealthy alligator in the water. Looking up, check out the giant antlers on the grand moose. Brrr, wrapping up warm because our next portal is made of ice. Entering the frozen vortex, destination Antarctica. Welcome to icy Antarctica. Look at the emperor penguin sliding on the ice. Out in the cold ocean waves, a giant orca whale leaps up. At the top of the frozen world, the fluffy polar bear reigns supreme. Look at the magnificent long tusks on the walrus. Time to warm up. A sunny golden portal is glowing up ahead. Flying into the warmth, off to the Australian outback. G'day from Australia. The bouncy kangaroo hops across the red sand. Floating over to the eucalyptus tree, see the sleepy koala. Swimming in the creek below is the unique platypus. Out on the grassy plain, look at the fast-running emu. Say hello to the fierce and funny Tasmanian devil. Flying up high, see the bright crest of the white cockatoo. Australia was amazing! Look, an emerald green portal is opening up ahead. Let's fly right through into the beautiful forests of Europe. Welcome to Europe. spot the clever red fox hiding in the bushes. And look at the grand pointy antlers on the majestic red deer. Up on the mossy rock sits the beautiful spotted Eurasian lynx. Down in the dirt, a tough wild boar is foraging for food. Balancing high on the steep mountain cliffs is the sure-footed alpine ibex. And peeking out of its burrow below is a cute European badger. What an amazing world safari journey across all our continents! Keep exploring, practice your animal words, and subscribe for more fun!